Are you over 60? Do you ever worry about your legs getting weaker? Maybe you feel a twinge in your knees, find it harder to stand up, or just get tired walking. We often blame age, but what if it's something else? A Japanese doctor who has spent decades studying senior mobility has an amazing insight. He says these problems aren't just about age. They come from weak stabilizer muscles, the ones that are supposed to support our joints. But here's the good news. He discovered one simple exercise that can change everything. It requires no equipment, you can do it right at home, and it only takes a few minutes a day. With this single move, you can start rebuilding your balance, leg power, and your confidence to move freely. He calls it the chair, sit, and hold routine. It's incredibly simple. First, find any stable chair. Stand in front of it with your feet about hip-width apart. Now, here's the key part. Slowly lower yourself down as if you were about to sit. But just before your bottom touches the chair, pause. Hold that position halfway down for just 2 or 3 seconds. In this tiny pause, your thighs, hips, and core muscles all fire up safely. After the hold, sit down gently and take a moment. Then, stand back up as slowly as you comfortably can. The slower you rise, the more your leg muscles have to work, especially the quadriceps, which are crucial for knee health. The doctor always emphasizes that after 60, control is what rebuilds strength, not speed. This small sequence, lowering halfway, holding, sitting completely, then rising slowly, creates a powerful effect. Seniors who tried this daily started noticing better balance in just a few weeks. Their steps felt more secure, and many even reported having more energy. Why? Because stronger leg muscles are better at pushing blood upward through the body. Now, let's talk about that little pause in the middle. It's a game changer for anyone struggling with knee pain. This hold trains the muscles surrounding the joint, which helps shift pressure away from sensitive areas. Many people were amazed that such a small action could reduce their pain over time. But that's not all. The sit and hold motion also awakens your glute muscles. With age, these muscles can go to sleep, and weak glutes are a huge reason why seniors feel unstable, especially on stairs or when walking outside. When these muscles become active again, you'll find yourself standing taller, your lower back will feel lighter, and your knees won't have to work so hard. One of the best things about this routine is how safe it is. Even if you're in your 70s or 80s, you can do it. The chair is always there to support you. If you feel a bit wobbly, just place your hands on your thighs to help you stand up. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Just doing it every day is what matters. To make this exercise even more effective, the Japanese doctor adds one more simple tip: breathe. As you lower yourself halfway, inhale slowly through your nose. As you stand back up, exhale slowly, like you're blowing out a candle. This breathing pattern does 2 important things. It calms your nervous system, helping you avoid any dizziness. It also keeps your heart rate steady. A lot of us hold our breath during exercise without even realizing it, and that can make you feel lightheaded. Proper breathing makes the whole routine safer and smoother. So, how often should you do this? The doctor recommends just 5 minutes a day. Depending on your pace, that'll be about 8 to 12 repetitions, and the beauty of it is that you can fit it in anytime. Do it after you wake up, before a meal, during TV commercials, or right before bed. Think of this routine as oil for rusty joints, gently warming and lubricating them. Seniors who practiced this regularly said their first steps in the morning felt easier, and their legs didn't get as stiff during the day. Another wonderful benefit is improved circulation. When your leg muscles work, they act like a second heart, pushing blood back up towards your chest more efficiently. This can reduce swelling in your feet and ankles. Many older men and women noticed that their legs felt lighter and that afternoon fatigue started to fade away. Your posture improves too. Strong legs are like strong pillars holding up your entire body. A senior with strong legs walks differently, more upright, more confident, and with less fear of falling. The Japanese doctor reminds us that leg strength is directly linked to how long and how well we live. Research in Japan has shown that seniors who maintain their leg power stay independent longer, have better heart health, and suffer fewer injuries from falls, Strong legs mean a strong, independent life. It means you can carry your own groceries, climb stairs without a second thought, and get out of bed smoothly, all without needing to ask for help. This exercise is small, but its results are truly life-changing because it trains the very muscles we rely on every single day for everything we do. What if it feels a little too hard at first? That's perfectly okay. If holding for 3 seconds is too much, start with just 1 second and gradually build up. If lowering down feels a bit painful, try placing a cushion on the chair to make the distance shorter. Over time, as your thighs get stronger, you'll notice that standing up becomes almost effortless. You might even feel stable enough to start enjoying longer walks again. Many seniors who had given up their daily walks due to weakness were able to get back to it, simply by practicing this chair method regularly. So here's your new daily mission. Do this simple exercise, listen to your body, and always keep your movements slow and controlled. It doesn't matter how old you feel. Your muscles are never too old to grow stronger. With a little patience and gentle training, your legs will regain their power, your balance will return, and your everyday life will become so much smoother. Remember the doctor's key message. You are not losing strength because of age. You are losing strength because your muscles just need a gentle reminder to wake up. This simple Japanese routine is that reminder. Keep practicing it every day, and your legs will thank you for years and years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on staying strong and healthy at any age.